Let's explore binary arithmetic, focusing on multiplication techniques. It is an introduction to the core concepts that will be covered in the subsequent slides. Binary multiplication follows a set of simple rules. 0 multiplied by 0 equals 0. 0 multiplied by 1 equals 0. 1 multiplied by 0 equals 0. 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1. As you can see, binary multiplication is simpler than decimal multiplication, primarily involving shifting and adding operations. Here's a simple example to illustrate binary multiplication. In decimal, 5 times 3 equals 15. In binary, 1 0 1 multiplied by 0 1 1 equals 1 1 1 1. It is equivalent to 15 in decimal. Let's break down the step-by-step process of binary multiplication for 1 0 1 multiplied by 0 1 1. First, 1 0 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1 0 1. Then 1 0 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1 0 1 0, shifting left by 1 position. Finally, 1 0 1 multiplied by 0 equals 0 0 0 0, shifting left again. Adding these partial products, 1 0 1 plus 1 0 1 0 plus 0 0 0 0 results in 1 1 1 1. There are two primary algorithms for binary multiplication: shift and add and Booth's algorithm. The shift and add algorithm is simple and straightforward, similar to the traditional paper method, making it easy to understand and implement in hardware. Booth's algorithm, on the other hand, is designed to handle sign numbers, reducing the number of partial products and making it more efficient, although it has a more complex implementation. The shift and add algorithm involves initializing a product to 0. For each bit in the multiplier, if the bit is 1, you add the multiplicand to the product. Then you shift the multiplicand to the left. The algorithm returns the final product. Essentially, each 1 bit in the multiplier contributes the multiplicand at the appropriate position. Booth's algorithm utilizes a decision table based on the current and previous bits, denoted as Q subscript n and Q subscript n-1, respectively. If both bits are 0 0, a shift operation is performed. If the bits are 0 1, an addition and shift operation is performed. If the bits are 1 0, a subtraction and shift operation is performed. If both bits are 1 1, a shift operation is performed. The advantage of Booth's algorithm is that it handles sign multiplication efficiently, reduces the number of operations, and is particularly effective for consecutive ones. Implementing binary multiplication in hardware involves key components such as registers for storing operands, an adder circuit for performing addition, shift registers for shifting bits, and a control unit for coordinating operations. Binary multiplication forms the foundation of digital arithmetic operations in processors, making it essential for computer architecture and system design. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.